Hey everybody, Life's Journey at 50 here. So, as the title says, this is going to be 82 down in Tellico Plains. So, they always talk about, well, don't take the big bikes on 82. Why not? Let's take the big bikes on 82. Anybody can ride the small bikes on 82. That's not a challenge at all. Let's get the big bikes on here. And actually, out of this group, I am the weakest link of the group by far. So, you've got Kirk Graydon, just was competing on a GS trophy team in Namibia. He's on his 1250. My buddy Tim, who's been riding motocross and stuff since Hector was a pup, he's on his 1250. Then we got the famous Ben Dragoo who's riding with us, and he's on his 1250. So you got those big old boxers going. Larry Yeager, man, myth, and legend on the Pan America. I mean, Larry's just an absolutely fantastic rider. I'm sure you guys have seen some stuff with him. It's always a pleasure to ride with all four of them. And again, Larry handles that Pan America like no other. So that's fantastic. And I bring up the rear, and I'm on my new Tuareg 660. You guys are probably going to laugh a little bit. I struggled a little bit just getting the nuances of riding that bike a little bit off-road. And this is really the first time I've ridden some real technical stuff, harder stuff on this bike. And it's a lot different than my 1250 by far. I don't, there's portions I wish I would have had my 1250 because I just, I'm used to that low end tractor pull, lugging of the 1250. But my Tuareg 660 took me a little while to get comfortable with it, but I had my ups and downs with it, which I normally do, but it was just getting used to it. And as I went on throughout the week, you guys will see when I do 85, that much obviously different, whole different scenario after I've really went through 82 on my Tuareg. So fun stuff. Great thing. If people say don't take the big bikes on there, if you can handle your big bike off-road and some technical stuff, you can handle it on 82. Like I said, small bikes are easy. Get on those these big rhinos and let's have some fun with them. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy it. This is 82, Tellico Plains. It is a fun track. You do got to keep your wits about you. I almost went off to the side. You guys will see that. But, I wouldn't be the first person that's done something like that. So anyways, and what would you expect anything less? So, all right, here we go. Kirk's leading us, and we're off to the races. Thanks, everybody. See you soon. Bye.
All right, I guess we're going to do some stupid shit. Okay. Fuck. Okay. You all right? Who wanted to do this? This is not what I was expecting to do. Attaboy. A little bit easier on a 150-pound lighter bike. Yeah. So you lose all your momentum. Do you want me to get up there and help?
Oh, let me see what happens. I'm gonna wait till Tim gets out of the way.
Yeah, clear out of the way. Larry and that Pan America, I love it. All right. Kirk is taking us. Those guys are better than I am standing up on through this shit. I'm not. I'll wait till I get up here. Sorry, I'm the slowpoke. Ah, fucker. Oh, fuck. fuck yeah.
Okay? Take a look.
Yeah, I just cut my leg underneath. Oh, shit.
I don't know if we're... Kirk says this is the hardest part.
Okay.
I feel like we're about to the top of the hill.
There's a what?
Log, you'll see it. Just go to the right.
Oh, sorry. Got high side, dumped it, almost broke my leg, I felt like. It's alright, that's how you learn. I'm good.
We need to loosen that up. That's way too tight.
Oh, fuck. And I'm not used to this bike yet with the throttle and the clutch control shit.
First ride for everybody off weekend pretty much.
Yeah, and plus this is a new bike. I'm used to my GS, you know.
Yeah.
Better.
You got some free play now.
Trying.
I would hate to fight you.
What?
I would hate to fight you. Two guys that I've rode with that are super strong. Him and Han. Yeah, Han is an animal as far as strength. Is he? Oh, dude, I couldn't.
The infamous 82. Whew. Coming through. Hey, we got a roadblock here. Let's move it out, fellas. Come on. Oh, fuck! Son of a bitch! I don't know what I was thinking there.
Thing to give anybody. Faster would have been better.
Well, I know. Thank you, I appreciate that.
No, I mean in that.
Hey, I'm lucky I got down that boulders.
How do you want to pull it up?
Well, we probably should get the ass in more on this side, don't we?
To begin with.
Hold on.
Hang on. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, hang on, Matt.
Yep. Fuck. Up against the embankment.
Bars chopped about like they are. Okay. Or let's go out with the bars. So this way, now you got all that leverage there on the end.
Yeah.
Just from that end. Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, fuck.